Well, hello. Now, last week I put a quick poll up on YouTube. You can do this in the community area. I didn't even know you could do that. And I said, what did everybody want? Well, snacks and appetizers, hardly one. So what I've got tonight, I'm sitting here with a glass of red wine and a delicious bowl of olive hummus, along with another bowl full of baguette chips. Oh yeah, it gets the party started. All right, you got olives in there. Half the olives are mixed in with the hummus, and then more olives just stirred in. So you've got the pieces of olives. Every once in a while, you get a little olive nugget on your chip. All right, let's go in the kitchen and make this right now. All right, to make this hummus is quite easy. What we have here is some of the ingredients, or all the ingredients actually. This is two 15-ounce can of chickpeas, which have been rinsed and drained. Over here, I've got one baguette, a day old or 2 days old. You don't want it fresh because it's hard to cut in thin slices. So a couple days old is really good. This is about 2 days old. It was perfect. It's sliced about 1/8 of an inch or 2 to 3 millimeters thick. That's where our chips are coming from. Just gonna toast those a little bit. They can be in the toaster oven or in the oven under the broiler. And sometimes they can just be eaten just like this because they're ready, get a little crispy. Perfect. All right, so we got those. Then we've got the other ingredients that are going in, which is a 1/2 cup of olives, sliced green olives, a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We may or may not use all that. You kind of go by feel with the olive oil. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, a 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 cloves of garlic that have been crushed. So let's get these chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, whichever way you call them, into the processor. There we go. And then we're going to add in the garlic and all the seasonings here, the chili powder, the salt, the cumin powder, and the pepper. And now with the olives, I don't want to use all the olives because I want some texture in there of olives. So I'm going to use just about half of the olives are going to go in here. There for the flavoring. And the other olives are going to kind of give it the texture. So a little bit of olive juice left there, that gets that in there too. All right, so that's about half. Yeah, a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Now, what I want to do is zap these until it's not 100% smooth, but getting there. There's a paste, but it's a little chunkiness to it. That's perfect. And just kind of pulse it every once in a while. You might have to go in there and just push it down. It's still quite dry. We haven't added the olive oil in yet, so we're just getting that started here. Okay, now we can just kind of a little bit pour in some olive oil to help that go along. I don't want to put it all. Now it's all coming together. That's a nice consistency. Look at that right there. That is going to be a beautiful hummus. Now, if you think it's a little too stiff, it might be just, maybe you might want it a little bit looser than that. Then what you can do is just add a little bit more olive oil. It's just basically you're playing the olive oil kind of by ear. So I can always just add a little bit more. Hit that, and just a drizzle. I don't want to go too much. I don't want it to be all runny. I just want it so I can dip my chips in there. So let's have a look at that. Oh, that is absolutely perfect. Yep. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of these guys in there. Stir them around. Let's get that off the table. Stir them around in there. Just add them in. Okay. Beautiful. So now when you dip, every once in a while you're going to get an olive or two and just add a little something. So let's get that into a bowl. Get that blade out of there. That's always the messy part. Okay. Okay, look at that. Beautiful hummus with olives in there. Let's try that. Get one of our crisps in there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. We're gonna have that tonight at our house. I hope you have some soon at your house. All right, now, you wanna make this look a little festive, you know, look good for a party or something like that. I was gonna take a little bit of paprika and just put a little bit over the top there. Come on out there. Humidity in Japan always blocks everything up. There we go. All right, so just give it a little color. Beautiful, look at that. Okay, that is ready to serve. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link that's appearing on the screen, you can find this recipe in the Snacks and Appetizers booklet on our Patreon feed. Just look on the side and you'll see recipes. Click on that. You can download the booklet. You can either print out the whole booklet or just print out this one individual recipe. Now, go make this recipe and enjoy. Have a fantastic party and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.